This is a video by Rich Pin. Today we're removing a ignition switch from a Saturn S series. First thing you need to do is remove the airbag. Next you want to remove the steering wheel. It's held on by one 21mm nut. Now once you remove the nut and then disconnect the cruise control connection right here, in most cases all you have to do is wiggle the wheel side to side or maybe tap it with a rubber hammer and the wheel will come right off. Next we have to take the multifunction switch out of the way. Now it's held on by three 5.5mm screws. One there, one right here, one over here on this side. Okay, she's clear. Now on the back side of the switch, you'll have to remove this electrical connection and this connection right up here. And now on the other side, remove this electrical connection right here also. Now this wire right here to the airbag coil, unclip this little plastic piece, and the yellow connector right here has a metal clip on it, and you want to unclip that from the bracket, and that will give you some slack in the cable to get your multifunction switch off. And now that should come right out of the way. These are what the connections look like on back of the multifunction switch. All you do is you push in on this little lock and then you pull back. This one's the same way. You just push in like this and just pull back. There's 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 that you had to remove. And you can just let the switch hang like that. Next we have to remove these security bolts that hold this clamp onto the steering column. You probably want to mark this so you can get it back in the right place. Now what I'm going to do is take a chisel and hit those heads right here, get them to turn. Okay, take the chisel right here. It's starting to move. Now I think we can get a vice grip on there. Starting to move. There's the bolt. It's all out. We'll put it in just a little bit so we can get the other one. Now just do the same thing to the other one. Okay, I got both of these bolts loose. There's one. You'll probably have to go to the dealer and get a replacement bolt, or put a replacement bolt when you put it back together. Okay, there it is. Now we can remove the electrical connector from the back of the switch. Just pushed in on this little lock right here. There it is. Now the electrical switch is held on by two 5.5 millimeter head screws. I need to remove those. And the switch will just come right out. There it is. And that's all there is to removing your ignition switch on your Saturn S series.